Hey everyone, got a package yesterday, so time for an unboxing. Stick around and see what I got. So as you can see, we got a package from Stirling yesterday. I went ahead and indulged and got myself a little pre-Christmas present, and I got a few things for the wife as well. By the way, gwsmallwood, welcome to my channel. So I know some of you guys are into knives. I'm not. This is an old pocket knife that I got from my great-grandpa years ago. Nothing special, but that's what I use to open my packages. So, little disclaimer. This is the second video in a row of my only 2 videos I've done that have featured Stirling. I'm not affiliated with them. I would love to be, but I do not get any perks, any kickbacks, any discounts, anything from Stirling. They're just one of my favorite artisans. I really like their products. They make great stuff. I really like their prices. They are very good, and you really can't beat their customer service. And Rod and Mandy are just really good people. If you haven't checked out any of their podcasts or YouTube interviews, they did one with IMCDB a few months ago. You should check those out. They're really good people. So, like I said, I bought a little something for me and a little something for the wife in this package. Guys, that's one way to make the hobby and the expense that goes with it a little more palatable. Include your wives as well. So, one thing about Stirling is they use recycled packing materials. It's nice if you're environmentally conscious. If you should choose to, they also sell their soaps in refill pucks, so you don't have the plastic. They always include their little Stirling card, and on the receipt, they always include little handwritten thank you notes. Just a nice touch. So, what did we get? I have a handful of Stirling scents that I have always really loved, and I came across this one in an aftershave sample a while ago and had never bought it, and it's been probably a couple years and always said I wanted to. So I finally broke down and bought the Dunshire. This is an Acqua di Gio duplicate, homage, I suppose. And it smells very, very good. Definitely cologne-y, very reminiscent of Acqua di Gio. It's got that aquatic scent, very sweet. It's a great scent. So I got the soap. I got the balm, because they don't offer it in the lotion, or at least they don't have it in the lotion right now. And we got the splash. So for the wife, don't tell her, because this is her Christmas present, or part of it. I got her some body butter. So I did a few aftershave samples for her a while ago, and she really liked a few of the scents. Got her this guy. And to round it out, and probably the one she's most going to enjoy, this is the EDP, which, if you haven't tried any of Stirling's, I've had a couple now. They're very, very good. They're very true to the scents in the soap and splash. They have good staying power. I have a bottle of Sandpiper that actually one spray and I can catch the scent the rest of the day. It doesn't really diminish over the course of the day. And then Stirling always throws in nice little samples, not so small samples. I mean, this is a good sized little sample of one of their soap bars, barbershop scent, which I love. I have the shaving soap, aftershave splash and lotion. It's great. So barbershop scents, you know, very subjective. Stirling's is very heavy in vanilla and powder, and I love both of those notes. So really enjoy that. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys have a great Christmas, and if I don't talk to you before then, have a Happy New Year as well.